यह संघर्ष करने का समय है। It is time to struggle. It is time to struggle. क्या आपको समझ आया? Did you get it? Did you get it? मेरा खाना खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है। I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like eating. जरा देखने तो दो। Let me have a look. Let me have a look. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ रहा हूँ। I am not coming with you. I am not coming with you. मैं आस-पास ही था। I was around. I was around. हमें जाना होगा। We have to go. We will have to go. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? इसे मेरे पास लाओ। Bring it to me. Bring it to me. हमें समय चाहिए। We need time. We need time. तुम गलत हो। You are wrong. You are wrong. इसे बंद करो। Turn it off. Turn it off. वह बहुत अच्छा है। He is very good. He is very good. हमें जाना है। We have to go. We have to go. यह मुश्किल है। This is difficult. This is difficult. मुझे वह पसंद है। I like that. I like that. यह आसान है। This is easy. This is easy. क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? इसे वहीं रखो। Keep it there. Keep it there. वह कहाँ है? Where is she? Where is she? हमें जल्दी करना है। We have to hurry. We have to hurry. मुझे बुलाओ। Call me. Call me. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? इसे ठीक करो। Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी ले लो। Take it now. Take it now. मुझे और चाहिए। I need more. I need more. वह यहाँ नहीं है। He is not here. He is not here. यह बहुत अच्छा है। This is very good. This is very good. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? इसे बाद में करो। Do it later. Do it later. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए। I need your help. I need your help. हमें उसे बुलाना है। We have to call him. We have to call him. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait. I can't wait. उसके लिए इंतज़ार करो। Wait for him. Wait for him. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है। I don't need it. I don't need it. क्या तुम्हें इसकी ज़रूरत है? Do you need it? Do you need it? तुम्हें जाने की ज़रूरत है। You need to go. You need to go. वह आ रहा है। He is coming. He is coming. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. उसे बोलने दो। Let her speak. Let her speak. इसे सही करो। Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी करो। Do it now. Do it now. मैं सो रहा हूँ। I am sleeping. I am sleeping. वह बहुत अच्छा है। He is very nice. He is very nice. इसे ले लो। Take it. Take it. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो। You are very good. You are very good. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? हमें यह चाहिए. We need this. We need this. मुझे यह चाहिए. I want this. I want this. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. इसे मेरे पास रखो. Keep it with me. Keep it with me. वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. उसे बताओ. Tell him. Tell him. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. हमें इंतज़ार करना है. We have to wait. We have to wait. वह काम कर रहा है. He is working. He is working. मुझे मत बताओ. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. मुझे यह चाहिए. I need this. I need this. इसे ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. यह सही है. This is right. This is right. मुझे कुछ बताओ. Tell me something. Tell me something. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? हमें यह करना है. We have to do this. We have to do this. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very nice. You are very nice. उसे वापस बुलाओ. Call him back. Call him back. मुझे समय चाहिए. I need time. I need time. इसे तुरंत करो. Do it immediately. Do it immediately. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is she here? Is she here? उसे बोलने दो. Let him talk. Let him talk. वह पढ़ रहा है. He is studying. He is studying. मुझे अभी चाहिए. I need it now. I need it now. इसे दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. मैं परेशानी में हूँ. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मेरे साथ पंगे मत लो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. संपर्क में रहना. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. I don't understand. I don't understand. मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. Let me see. मूर्ख मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. मैं आपको बहुत याद करती हूँ. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? Where are we going? हम घर जा रहे हैं. We are going to home. We are going to home. अनदेखा करना सीखो. Learn to ignore. Learn to ignore. बाद में बात करते हैं. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. क्या आप उसे देख सकते हैं? Can you see her? Can you see her? मुझे वापस कॉल करें. Call me back. Call me back. तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? सब बेकार है. Everything is useless. Everything is useless. ऐसा कभी मत करना. Never do so. Never do so. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए. I want your advice. I want your advice. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know me? How do you know me? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. आज बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain today. It may rain today. ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? यह काबिले तारीफ है. He is worth praising. He is worth praising. ये तुम्हारा वहम है. It's your illusion. It's your illusion. मैं यहाँ खासकर आपसे मिलने आया हूँ. I came here specially to meet you. I came here specially to meet you. वह बहुत घमंडी है. He is so arrogant. He is so arrogant. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. तुम अभी तक यहीं पर हो? You are still here. You are still here. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. तमीज से बात करो. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. मुझे वहां ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. मुझे घर ले चलो. Take me home. Take me home. आगे आगे चलो. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving. I am leaving. संभल के. Watch out. Watch out. ये सब आपका है. It's all yours. It's all yours. काम करना बंद करो. Stop working. Stop working. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. कृपया अंदर आएं. Please get in. Please get in. यह किसने किया? Who did it? Who did it? तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए. I need a pillow. I need a pillow. मैं खुद ही चला जाऊंगा. I will go myself. I will go myself. तुम खुद ही चले जाओ. You go yourself. You go yourself. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. मुझे 5 बजे उठा देना. Get me up at 5 o'clock. Get me up at 5 o'clock. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो. You are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered. क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं. You are not reliable. You are not reliable. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो. Try at once. Try at once. बोल कर पढ़ो. Read out. Read out. समय पर आना. Come on time. Come on time. थोड़ी चाय ले आना. Get some tea. Get some tea. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है. It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. क्या हम खेल सकते हैं? Can we play? Can we play? बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. लड़ाई मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. कोई है क्या? Is someone there? Is someone there? जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to go. There is no need to go. अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो. Use your brain. Use your brain. उसे सब पता है. He knows everything. He knows everything. क्या हो गया? What happened? What happened? कैसे हो गया? How did this happen? How did this happen? चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. ध्यान से. Be careful. Be careful. वो सही कह रहा है. He is right. He is right. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I am always with you. I am always with you. क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? बाहर मत खेलो. Don't play outside. Don't play outside. तुमने ऐसा जानबूझकर किया. You did this deliberately. You did this deliberately. वह एक जिद्दी बच्चा है. He is a stubborn child. He is a stubborn child. मैंने आपको उल्लू बनाया. I tricked you. I tricked you. कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to say anything. No need to say anything. मुझे रुलाओ मत. Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. इतना मेरे लिए काफी है. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. सब बेकार है. Everything is useless. Everything is useless. ऐसा कभी मत करना. Never do so. Never do so. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए. I want your advice. I want your advice. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know me? How do you know me? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. आज बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain today. It may rain today. ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? वह अच्छा लग रहा है. He looks good. He looks good. वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? मुझे समय चाहिए. I need time. I need time. उसे अंदर बुलाओ. Call him inside. Call him inside. मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? खुश रहो. Stay happy. Stay happy. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? हमारे साथ चलो. Come with us. Come with us. हमारे पास समय है. We have time. We have time. मैं आपको बहुत याद करती हूँ. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where
दरवाजा
are we
खोलो.
going?
Open the
Where
door.
are we going?
Open the door.
हम घर जा रहे
दरवाजा
हैं.
खोलो.
We are
Open
going
the
to
door.
home. We
दरवाजा
are
बंद
going
करो.
to home.
Close the door.
अनदेखा करना
Close
सीखो.
the door.
Learn to
दरवाजा बंद
ignore.
करो. Close
Learn
the
to
door.
ignore.
पंखा चला दो.
बाद में बात
Turn on
करते
the
हैं.
fan.
Talk to you
Turn
later.
on the fan.
Talk to you
पंखा चला
later.
दो. Turn on the fan.
क्या आप उसे देख सकते
बत्ती
हैं?
बंद कर
Can
दो.
you see her?
Turn off the
Can you
light.
see her?
Turn off the light.
मुझे वापस कॉल
बत्ती
करें.
बंद कर दो.
Call me back.
Turn off the light.
Call me back.
मेरा सिर दबा
तुम्हारी
दो.
समस्या क्या है?
Press my head.
What is your problem?
Press my head.
What is your
मेरा
problem?
सिर दबा दो. Press my
मैं और
head.
आगे नहीं बता सकता.
मेरे
I
साथ आओ.
can't explain
Come with
further.
me.
I
Come
can't
with
explain
me.
further.
मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me.
सच हमेशा कड़वा
कपड़े
होता है.
बदल लो.
The
Change
truth
your
is
clothes.
always bitter.
Change your
The truth
clothes.
is always
कपड़े
bitter.
बदल लो. Change your clothes.
मेरी बातों
जल्दी
का
करो.
बुरा मत मानो.
Hurry up.
Don't mind my
Hurry up.
words.
जल्दी
Don't
करो.
mind my
Hurry
words.
up.
तकलीफ देने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो. Use your brain. Use your brain. यह तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है. It's your duty. It's your duty. तुमने अच्छा काम किया. You did a good job. You did a good job. बातों को घुमाओ मत. Don't twist the words. Don't twist the words. एक महीना हो गया है. It has been a month. It has been a month. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? ज़्यादा मत बोलो. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. मेरी सलाह मानो. Take my advice. Take my advice. बाहर कदम मत रखना. Don't step outside. Don't step outside. इसे मत छुओ. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. वापस जाओ. Go back. Go back. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. वह मेरा है. That is mine. That is mine. आइए शुरू करें. Let's get started. Let's get started. खाना खाओ. Eat food. Eat food. जाओ नहीं. Don't go. Don't go.
क्या हो रहा है? What's happening? What's happening? क्या हो रहा है? What's happening? कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Nothing is happening. आप कहाँ हैं? Where are you? Where are you? आप कहाँ हैं? Where are you? आप कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? आप कहाँ थे? Where were you? आप कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? आप कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? मैं आ रहा हूँ. I am coming. I am coming. मैं आ रहा हूँ. I am coming. क्या तुम आ रहे हो? Are you coming? Are you coming? क्या तुम आ रहे हो? Are you coming? मैं कल आऊँगा. I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. मैं कल आऊँगा. I will come tomorrow. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am going. I am going. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am going. मैं जा रहा था. I was going. I was going. मैं जा रहा था. I was going. मैं जाऊँगा. I will go. I will go. मैं जाऊँगा. I will go. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. I am doing my work. I am doing my work. मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. I am doing my work. क्या तुम यह कर सकते हो? Can you do this? Can you do this? क्या तुम यह कर सकते हो? Can you do this? मैं यह नहीं कर सकता. I can't do this. I can't do this. मैं यह नहीं कर सकता. I can't do this. तुम्हें मेहनत करनी चाहिए. You should work hard. You should work hard. तुम्हें मेहनत करनी चाहिए. You should work hard. यहाँ ध्यान दो. Focus here. Focus here. यहाँ ध्यान दो. Focus here. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie to me. मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. I am kidding. I am kidding. मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. I am kidding. तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए. You should be ashamed. मुझे शर्मिंदा मत करो. Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. मुझे शर्मिंदा मत करो. Don't embarrass me. आप मुझे गलत समझ रहे हैं. You are taking me wrong. You are taking me wrong. आप मुझे गलत समझ रहे हैं. You are taking me wrong. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. ज़बान संभाल के. Mind your language. Mind your language. ज़बान संभाल के. Mind your language. अब सुनो. Now listen. Now listen. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. सीधे जाओ. Go straight. Go straight. धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. वहां जाओ. Go there. Go there. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. जोर से बोलो. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. और speak loudly. Speak loudly. अंदर आओ. Come in. Come in. बाहर जाओ. Go out. Go out. निकल जाओ. Get out. Get out. बाहर आओ. Come out. Come out. अंदर जाओ. Go in. Go in. शांत हो जाओ. Be quiet. Be quiet. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. तैयार हो जाओ. Be ready. Be ready. और get ready. Get ready. कोई खास बात. Anything special. Anything special. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है. What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise.
समझने की कोशिश करो। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। इसे अपने पास रखो। कीप इट टू योर सेल्फ। कीप इट टू योर सेल्फ। इसे बदल दो। चेंज इट। चेंज इट। सच बोलो। स्पीक द ट्रुथ। स्पीक द ट्रुथ। मैं सच कह रहा हूँ। आई एम टेलिंग द ट्रुथ। आई एम टेलिंग द ट्रुथ। मैंने एक फैसला लिया है। आई हैव मेड अ डिसीजन। आई हैव मेड अ डिसीजन। समय पर आना। बी ऑन टाइम। बी ऑन टाइम। मेरा फ़ोन कहाँ है? वेयर इज़ माई फ़ोन? वेयर इज़ माई फ़ोन? किसी का फ़ोन आ रहा है। समवन इज़ कॉलिंग। समवन इज़ कॉलिंग। ठीक है, मैं समय पर आऊँगा। ओके, I'll be on the time. ओके, I'll be on the time. आप तैयार हो जाओ। You get ready. You get ready. मैं अभी खाना बनाती हूँ। I'll cook food right now. I'll cook food right now. क्या हुआ आपको? What happened to you? What happened to you? मैं कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। I am asking something. I am asking something. वह हमें देख रहा है। He is looking at us. He is looking at us. इस बारे में ज़्यादा मत सोचो। Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. वह किस लिए था? What was that for? What was that for? तुम कैसे गए थे? How did you go? How did you go? वह कल आई थी। She came yesterday. She came yesterday. मैं नहीं गया था। I did not go. I did not go. क्या तुम गए थे? Did you go? Did you go? मैं कल उससे मिलने गया था। I went to meet her yesterday. I went to meet her yesterday. क्या वह आई थी? Did she come? Did she come? मैं कल गया था। I went yesterday. I went yesterday. मैंने नहीं पूछा। I did not ask. I did not ask. उसने मुझे बताया था। She told me. She told me. वह गई थी। She went. She went. क्या आप वहाँ गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? मैंने उससे पूछा था। I asked her. I asked her. उसने नहीं बताया। She did not tell. She did not tell. तुमने पूछा या नहीं? Did you ask or not? Did you ask or not? कल मैं लखनऊ गया था। I went to Lucknow yesterday. I went to Lucknow yesterday. मैं रास्ते में था। I was on the way. I was on the way. वह मेरे बगल में खड़ी थी। She was standing beside me. She was standing beside me. वह घर जा रहा था। He was going home. He was going home. वह मुझे बुला रही थी। She was calling me. She was calling me. मैं आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा था। I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. मैं तुम्हारी तरफ देख रहा था। I was looking at you. I was looking at you. मैंने आपको सुना नहीं था। I did not hear you. I did not hear you. तुम आए नहीं थे। You did not come. You did not come. तुमने मुझे बुलाया नहीं था. You did not invite. You did not invite. मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं था. I did not think so. I did not think so. मैंने उसे रास्ते में देखा था. I saw him on the way. I saw him on the way. जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगा. I will do whatever I feel. I will do whatever I feel. मैं नाराज हूँ. I am pissed off. I am pissed off. वह सो रहा है. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. उसे वहाँ भेजो. Send him there. Send him there. इसे वापस करो. Return this. Return this. इसे पकड़ो. Hold this. Hold this. वह जा रहा है. He is going. He is going. मुझे बुलाओ. Call me. Call me. इसे साफ करो. Clean this. Clean this. क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? तुम क्या करोगे? What will you do? What will you do? मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. वह वापस आ रहा है. He is coming back. He is coming back. इसे यहाँ रखो. Put it here. Put it here. वह जल्दी आ जाएगा. He will come soon. He will come soon. मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very good. You are very good. यह तुम्हारा है. This is yours. This is yours. हमें जल्दी जाना है. We have to go soon. We have to go soon. मुझे इंतज़ार करना है. I have to wait. I have to wait. क्या वह तैयार है? Is he ready? Is he ready? मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. यह किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. और बताओ. Tell me more. Tell me more. आप सही कर रहे हैं. You are right. You are right. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. देखेंगे. We will see. We will see. देखेंगे कैसे चलता है. We will see how things go. We will see how things go. मुझे यहाँ अच्छा लगता है. I like it here. I like it here. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. ये मुश्किल है. This is tough. This is tough. कुछ चाहिए? Need anything? Need anything? मैं फौरन तुम्हारे पास वापस आऊंगा. I will be right back. I will be right back. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. इसके लिए चिंता मत करो. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. मुझे खेद है. I am sorry. I am sorry. मुझे माफ करना मैं देर से आया. I am sorry I was late. I am sorry I was late.
बहुत बढ़िया. Good job. Good job. मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए. I need a break. I need a break. मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to bed. I am going to bed. मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ. I am going out. I am going out. मैं बाहर टहलने जा रहा हूँ. I am going out for a walk. I am going out for a walk. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. मेरा हो गया. I am done. I am done. तुम्हारी बारी. Your turn. Your turn. नीचे आओ. Come downstairs. Come downstairs. ऊपर जाओ. Come upstairs. Come upstairs. पीछे जाओ. Step back. Step back. एक तरफ हो जाओ. Step aside. Step aside. पहले आप. After you. After you. किसके लिए? For whom. For whom. इसे लो. Take it. या take this. Take it या take this. बस. That's all. That's all. बस पर्याप्त है. That's enough. That's enough. तुरंत जाओ. Go at once. Go at once. कभी नहीं. Never. Never. कभी भी नहीं. Never ever. Never ever. थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not a bit. Not a bit. खुद से पूछो. Ask yourself. Ask yourself. हे भगवान. Oh God. Oh God. इसे साफ करो. Clean it और clear it. Clean it और clear it. शांति. शांति. Calm down. Calm down. बाहर प्रतीक्षा करो. Wait outside. Wait outside. किसने कहा? Who said? Who said? अफसोस. How sad. How sad. तुम जानते हो. You know. You know. क्या सब तैयार हैं? Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? चुगली मत करो. Don't backbite. Don't backbite. टेंशन मत लो. Don't take tension. Don't take tension. अपनी हद में रहो. Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. यह तो ठीक नहीं है. This is not fair. This is not fair. अपना स्वभाव बदलो. Change your behavior. Change your behavior. यह तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है. It's your duty. It's your duty. तुमने अच्छा काम किया. You did a good job. You did a good job. बातों को घुमाओ मत. Don't twist the words. Don't twist the words. एक महीना हो गया है. It has been a month. It has been a month. बारिश कब होगी? When will it rain? When will it rain? बच के. Watch out. Watch out. इसे आजमाओ. Try this. Try this. यह मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me.
चलो चलें। लेट्स वॉक। लेट्स वॉक। यह बहुत ठंडा है। इट्स वेरी कोल्ड। इट्स वेरी कोल्ड। यह गर्म है। इट्स हॉट। इट्स हॉट। तुम कैसे हो? हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर यू? मैं ठीक हूँ। आई एम फाइन। आई एम फाइन। तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा। Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. फोन करो। Make a call. Make a call. फोन मत करो। Don't call. Don't call. तस्वीर लो। Take a picture. Take a picture. तस्वीर मत लो। Don't take a picture. Don't take a picture. वीडियो बनाओ। Make a video. Make a video. यह रास्ता नहीं है। This is not the way. This is not the way. मुझे नहीं पता। I don't know. I don't know. मुझे पता है। I know. I know. इसे खोलो। Open this. Open this. इसे बंद करो। Close this. Close this. इसे ठीक करो। Fix this. Fix this. इसे मत ठीक करो। Don't fix this. Don't fix this. यह तुम्हारा है। This is yours. This is yours. यह मेरा नहीं है। This is not mine. This is not mine. अब समय नहीं है। There is no time now. There is no time now. दरवाजा खोल दो अभी। Open the door now. Open the door now. पानी गिर गया है। Water has spilled. Water has spilled. लाइट बंद कर दो। Turn off the light. Turn off the light. धीरे बोलो। Speak softly. Speak softly. तेज बोलो। Speak loudly. Speak loudly. इसे ध्यान से पकड़ो। Hold it carefully. Hold it carefully. चाबी कहाँ है? Where is the key? Where is the key? पानी पियो। Drink water. Drink water. बिल कितना है? How much is the bill? How much is the bill? मुझे समझ नहीं आया। I didn't understand. I didn't understand. फिर से कहो। Say it again. Say it again. यह बहुत महंगा है। This is too expensive. This is too expensive. रास्ता बताओ। Show the way. Show the way. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मुझे भूख लगी है। I am hungry. I am hungry. मैं थक गया हूँ। I am tired. I am tired. किताबें कहाँ हैं? Where are the books? Where are the books? इसे साफ करो। Clean this. Clean this. अभी रुको। Stop now. Stop now. आगे बढ़ो। Move forward. Move forward. पीछे हटो। Move back. Move back. इसे जल्दी करो। Do it quickly. Do it quickly. इंतजार करो। Wait. Wait. यहाँ आओ। Come here. Come here. वहाँ जाओ। Go there. Go there. मुझे देखो। Look at me. Look at me. इसे पढ़ो। Read this. Read this. इसे लिखो। Write this. Write this. चुप रहो। बी क्वाइट, बी क्वाइट, मुस्कुराओ, स्माइल, स्माइल, रो मत, डोंट क्राई, डोंट क्राई, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, एवरीथिंग विल बी ओके, एवरीथिंग विल बी ओके, चलो वापस चलें, लेट्स गो बैक, लेट्स गो बैक, यह किताब पढ़ो, रीड दिस बुक, रीड दिस बुक, फोन बज रहा है, फोन इज रिंगिंग, फोन इज रिंगिंग, पता नहीं चला, डोंट रियलाइज, डोंट रियलाइज, अचानक सब रुका, सडनली एवरीथिंग स्टॉप्ड, सडनली एवरीथिंग स्टॉप्ड, दीवार पर टंगी है, इट्स हैंग ऑन द वॉल, इट्स हैंग ऑन द वॉल, कमरा साफ है, रूम इज क्लीन, रूम इज क्लीन, मौसम अच्छा है, वेदर इज नाइस, वेदर इज नाइस, बात मत करो, डोंट टॉक, डोंट टॉक, नोट लिख लो, टेक अ नोट, टेक अ नोट, यह मत भूलो, डोंट फॉरगेट दिस, डोंट फॉरगेट दिस, पैसे गिन लो, काउंट द मनी, काउंट द मनी, सब चेक कर लो, चेक एवरीथिंग, चेक एवरीथिंग, सीट बेल्ट बांधो, बकल अप, बकल अप, चाय पी लो, हैव सम टी, हैव सम टी, चाबियां मत भूलना, डोंट फॉरगेट द कीज, डोंट फॉरगेट द कीज, बिल्ली खा रही है, द कैट इज ईटिंग, द कैट इज ईटिंग, कुत्ता बाहर है, द डॉग इज आउटसाइड, द डॉग इज आउटसाइड, मैं दवाई ले रहा, आई एम टेकिंग मेडिसिन, आई एम टेकिंग मेडिसिन, बाजार बंद है, द मार्केट इज क्लोज्ड, द मार्केट इज क्लोज्ड, अलार्म बज रहा है, द अलार्म इज रिंगिंग, द अलार्म इज रिंगिंग, मुझे ठंड लग रही है, आई एम फीलिंग कोल्ड, आई एम फीलिंग कोल्ड, रोटी बना लो, मेक सम रोटीज, मेक सम रोटीज, मोबाइल चार्ज करो, चार्ज द मोबाइल, चार्ज द मोबाइल, किताबें रख दो, पुट अवे द बुक्स, पुट अवे द बुक्स, पानी उबाल दो, बॉयल द वाटर, बॉयल द वाटर, बच्चे सो रहे हैं, द चिल्ड्रन आर स्लीपिंग, द चिल्ड्रन आर स्लीपिंग, दरवाजा बंद कर दो, क्लोज द डोर, क्लोज द डोर, लाइट जलाना मत भूलो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू टर्न ऑन द लाइट, डोंट फॉरगेट टू टर्न ऑन द लाइट, ध्यान से चलो, वॉक केयरफुली, वॉक केयरफुली, खिड़की खोल दो, ओपन द विंडो, ओपन द विंडो, तुम्हारी बारी है, इट्स योर टर्न, इट्स योर टर्न, अखबार पढ़ लो, रीड द न्यूज़पेपर, रीड द न्यूज़पेपर, जल्दी करो देर हो रही है, हरी अप, इट्स गेटिंग लेट, हरी अप, इट्स गेटिंग लेट, सूरज निकल आया है, द सन हैज राइजन, द सन हैज राइजन, चाय तैयार है, द टी इज रेडी, द टी इज रेडी, मुझे याद नहीं है, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, सब ठीक है, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, आज क्या पकाऊं, वट शुड आई कुक टुडे, वट शुड आई कुक टुडे, मुझे वह पसंद है, आई लाइक दैट, आई लाइक दैट, खाना तैयार है, फूड इज रेडी, फूड इज रेडी, किताबें वापस कर दो, रिटर्न द बुक्स, रिटर्न द बुक्स, कॉफी गर्म है, कॉफी इज हॉट, कॉफी इज हॉट, मैं अभी आया, आई जस्ट केम, आई जस्ट केम, रास्ता बंद है, Road is closed. Road is closed. चाबी यहाँ रखो. Keep the key here. Keep the key here. बिल्ली भाग गई. Cat has run away. Cat has run away. बटन दबाओ अभी. Press the button now. Press the button now. छत पर जाओ. Go to the roof. Go to the roof. मुझे भूख लगी. I am hungry. I am hungry. चलो खाना खाएं. Let's eat food. Let's eat food. मैंने तुम्हें देखा. I saw you. I saw you. आवाज कम करो. Lower the volume. Lower the volume. सड़क पार करो. Cross the road. Cross the road. समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. चलो तैयार हो जाओ. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. खिड़की खोल दो. Open the window. Open the window. बस यहीं रुको. Stop right here. Stop right here. मैंने सुना नहीं. I didn't hear. I didn't hear. Bye बोलो. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. हाथ हिलाकर बाय बोलो. Wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. जाकर खेलो. Go and play. Go and play. पकड़ो इसे. Hold this या hold it. Hold this or hold it. जाग जाओ. Wake up. Wake up. उठ जाओ. Get up. Get up. नहा लो. Take bath. Take bath. एक निवाला खा लो. Take a bite. Take a bite. एक घूंट पियो. Take a sip. Take a sip. दूर जाओ. Go away. Go away. कब से. Since when. Since when. कब तक. Until when. Until when. इसे दोहराओ. Repeat it. Repeat it. मेरे बाद दोहराओ. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. फिर से कोशिश करो. Try again. Try again. माफ करना. Excuse me. Excuse me. खुश रहो. Be happy. Be happy. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. इसे खाओ. Eat it. Eat it. कृपया लीजिए. Have it please. Have it please. खाते रहिए. Keep eating. Keep eating. बिल्कुल. Of course. Of course. एक तरफ हट जाओ. Move aside. Move aside. थोड़ा खिसको. Move a bit. Move a bit. पीछे घूमो. Turn back. Turn back. चारों तरफ घूम जाओ. Turn around. Turn around. बाएं मुड़ो. Turn left. Turn left. दाएं मुड़ो. Turn right. Turn right. ऊपर देखो. Look up. Look up. नीचे देखो. Look down. Look down. साथ में चलो. Come along. Come along. मेरे पीछे आओ. Follow me. Follow me.